peace of mind in my own house? Damn it.
I'm making noise.
Just shouting, can't you? Just hear.
Baby, please, I'm sorry, okay? Let me patch you. Then you'll be affectionate. I miss you.
Why are you begging up? What's wrong with... Jeez, we can't do this in America. Sit down. You've not done anything. Oh, I'm not in the mood for this.
So why are you doing this to me? Why?
Okay, sit down. What's wrong with you? Okay, I'm listening to something. Sit down quietly. Just think about yourself. Think about what you can do with your life or something. Just ignore me. Oh.
Remember with you, would say you. Just the make an name me niboni bien so me there.
My catch yourself mami.
Now the way I prefer acting shows.
What can baby mama should react can be at yourself mami? I don't know you wanna think for me.
I just don't get you. I don't get you.
Come on! That's why I wanted not to come to Ghana. Yeah, that's why I wanted not to come to, because these are some of the petty things that you do and they just take me off. I'm not in the mood for your drama or this drama thing. Please, come off. Oh, come on.
Now, when I came here, I'm not insulting you or anything.
I'm insulting you.
Now you are trying to, because I am here and you are listening to music instead of me. Baby, please, I beg you, you just forgive me. I know I have not wronged you, but you just forgive me. I just don't get it, please. Babe.
Hey! What's wrong with you? A man does something? Fuck you! Fuck your mom! Fuck your whole bullshit family! Can't do this in America, I'm gonna shoot you, I'm gonna give you cash off.
Babe, like seriously?
Like seriously? Tell me like seriously? Like yes, like seriously? What's wrong with you? I cannot have peace of mind. Minding my own little ghetto. What's wrong with you? Damn it!
What you're doing, I can't think far.
I don't take madness.
Nah, it's like you are. Because I have not done anything to you and you're shouting. I know mad people do this. I'm not insulting now. You say you are thinking madness.
So I'm going mad now.
Oh, nah, you just said you are thinking madness. And I'm trying to tell you, mad people do this. Babe, please, okay? I'm sorry. Babe, please.
Jeez.
I'm sorry, please. Babe. Babe.
I can't think. What's that? Okay. What do you want me to do? Now what do you need from me? Tell me, I'm gonna do it for you.
I just want both of us to come back. Because right now you don't pick my calls. You don't do anything. You don't call me.
Call me. I'm gonna pick. Call me. Right now. Call me. Yes, my phone. Call me. I'm gonna pick. Yeah, friend me, mefa. Phone me, friend me, sisi a mefa.
Me no would say hey, kasa no me friend wo befa.
So we say we friend me, mefa. Yes, I know okay. So just give me the call right now. Oh, let me call you, okay? Let me call you. That's okay with you. I'm gonna call you.
I don't mean right now. I mean when I'm not here. Sister, me no here kasa will say oh friend me, me pick your phone and I kasa. We are both here face to face. You can't talk.
I was saying, I'm afraid of phone, so say, I know what picky. Now, Yakasa. Then, from there, next thing I mean, I would like to do all so that you'll be happy. You leave me alone. Yeah.
Babe, please, you are making me not think far. In fact, I'm thinking madness. Like, right now, I'm going crazy for you. Baby.
Don't get crazy for me.
I'm doing it. Please. Please, babe. Babe.
Me, I'm crazy now. That baby, you use for kids. I'm not a kid. I don't call my name. Oh, come on. I'm Prince. If you don't know my name, I'm Prince. You can call me Prince. What's wrong with you, babe?
Now, you are my sweetheart, so if I call you babe, there is nothing wrong with it.
Okay. Go ahead. Talk.
Prince, babe, please, just calm down. What are you doing? You are still listening to it. Just talk to me. Babe.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with this girl's house? Can somebody get me a doctor or something? Psychiatric doctor? You're just making me going crazy. I don't think madness, so you said it and I don't think so far. It's really insane. Stop shouting. Look at how you want to bring this whole room down. Come on. Give my phone.
Baby,
Give my phone.
just settle the issues with me before.
I don't have any issue to settle with you.
Nah, you should.
I don't have anything to settle with you. What is that? You just want to bring something. You don't want to bring something about that we have to talk about. I don't have anything except I don't have nothing to talk about. What's this? Come on, can you let me hell alone? Oh.
I should leave you alone.
No, just sit down. You've come to me. I'm settling down. You're settling down. You can do something with your
Are you trying to
do
say
something.
I should leave you alone? I came here to see you. If I want to chatter, now can you feel me to chat to you?
You see me? What's wrong with you?
Now we are talking and it seems you are so angry. I don't know why.
I'm not angry.
You are.
I'm not in the mood.
Now you just shout at me like 10, 25 times and I just don't get it. Hello?
Oh God. What's wrong with this girl? Saf! Can you leave me here alone? Give my phone.
I'm not giving you the phone. Because I don't know, when you went there, why did you smoke?
Fuck you! Do you see me like the person who can smoke, who do smoke, who drink, who...
Maybe you
I don't take marijuana, those stuff. Okay.
What? Because you are acting strange.
I'm not acting straight. See me. I'm not in the mood to talk. You have to know when and how. You know, I said, yeah, maybe I'm thinking about some businesses, some stuff, and you know, you gotta give me some time. I'm not saying that you can't talk to me. You can't talk to me, all right? But when I'm not in the mood, pause it. When I'm done, I can come to you. Nicely, goodly, just have that romantic moment that you're gonna have. You know, you have to accumulate time. I was saying, wait. You don't have to mingle everything, no, you don't have to do that. You have to plan accordingly. Everything should be accordingly. You don't have to just mess up. Oh, come on.
See the way you are talking.
Yeah, you're making me go mad.
So, should I take you to the hospital?
Oh, God.
Hello, I'm talking to you. Should I?
Take me to your mother's kitchen. That's where I'm gonna have peace.
Hey. I'm Rachel Kobine and that's one Kobine.
You know?
Because when you came right now, the way you are, gosh.
Things have changed. I'm not in the mood to talk. Let's just forget about it.
Things are different.
Let's forget about it. Yes. Just, you know, Ghana, you have to have time for sex, time for eating, time for cooking, time for washing, time for romance, time for every. You gotta accumulate time for every little shit.
So
in Ghana, no, you don't know. Somebody can go to work, you know what, but you know, come and fuck the fucking bitch in the house. That's bullshit. I don't tolerate that. What I'm saying, you need time to talk to you, and I'm in your time. Just leave me a hell alone now. When I'm in the mood, when the time is due, I'll come and talk to you. Hey, nigga!
Yes!
What's that?
Masa, mind your own business. What is the meaning of that? Mind your own business, oh. I don't come for fight. I come for peace. 2016, no fight, oh. No fight.
Damn it.
I'm searching for peace.
Okay.
So
okay.
if you want peace, let's talk silently.
I'm also for peace. Can you sit down?
Nonsense. Talking better.
Hey, man. Yeah, what bring you to my humble abode? What bring you over?
Oh, I come for peace. I don't come for war. I don't come for fight. This 2016 is peaceful.
Yeah.
I don't want any war. Hola. If you bring war, me too, I'll bring war.
Are you serious?
No, like you can see. You say you are a burger. I dress nicer than you. See how I dress. You see? Check me well. See my watch. Me and the watch. See my shirt, Miami shirt. See my Gucci chain, Miami chain. See my shoe, Miami shoe. See my truck, Miami truck. See my haircut, Miami haircut. Nonsense. You say you are bugger. See, bugger. See your singlet bra is sinning. Hey, your singlet is dirty. See, as a bugger. Wow. It's a ring. It's a ring. See your beard. Hey, see your beard. What? See, bugger, you don't wear this foolish things.
Like seriously, nigga?
Draw, like seriously draw. Hey, let's come back to business.
Okay, nigga, you get. You know, yes, Ghana. You know, yes, Ghana. Not the US.
Yeah.
I know. Yeah, BPI, Casa. Say US, I would have given you a gunshot. You know, yes, Ghana. So we gotta talk, man to man. No, man to boy, you know. So let's do it that way. But you're not man. So man to boy.
Man,
Yeah.
chop your own food.
Yeah.
Mind your own business. I'm not a small one. I'm a man.
Seriously?
I'm a teacher.
You did?
I'm teaching class P6 to Genesis. I teach maths, I teach science, I teach biology, I teach physics, I teach chemistry.
You?
Ghana 2 years, you don't do anything. If you do that thing here, I'll shoot you.
Me, nigga?
In fact,
Oh, okay. Let's cut it.
why? Nothing I ain't got it. Twice will continue.
How dare you?
I'll pour.
What?
Okay.
Okay.
We are in Ghana.
Okay.
We don't do this in Ghana. If you do this, you pour you there. You know what is there?
Can you do that? Can you kiss me?
That is our favorite. If you do that, you just vanish you in this earth.
Come here for your ass.
Yeah, you know already.
I'm afraid of your GHANAIAN.
I'll pour for why? So slow there. Why? Are you frustrated?
Okay. Didn't tell me, Phil. I invited her to my place. Obama, so I said, Mary now won in the war. So I said, Ona, many fear now, walk has well when you can now, what driving the kakakakran. Ona, my back. You get on my back. Well, me person be issue my dear. Ranging on my back, me person be issue my dear. Me chinny, me teachers, me be a service car. Me maca, channel and so. Answer what can to be called a good 240. Walk high bed 2030. Walk over speed the city. The person commonly 220. The service can be genuinely. See my engine also. Me must have na can be a shade, so what I say. And none of the person be very calm. What back as this? Double, half, one pair. No so. One front for lighting. The body me shaking. So one pen and bohan. Me massage. Me makana who say yes, unaba. When you know not treat me sukano and you tina maba. The Benjamin. Now because I have sabe faso, kwaya me sabe kame kam. I'm willing to offer you money. Good money. Very huge money. Sika be pray. Kesiye. Any amount, me mount, fiscal not check. Me discard that so. I don't do that. Me mouth full. She can't get brain. Then you forget about that engine. And again, I'm a wild man here.
You finish?
That's why I call you here, nigga.
You finish?
Yeah.
You are totally wrong. You are virus. You are bringing virus to the car.
Virus?
Virus, because if you buy a car, you don't have to disturb the car. You have to use it properly. So I relax, feeling comfortably, driving the car slowly, and slowly. Now I think I'm going to put my Quran and say, oh, better say my pussy butt. Oh, not just a baby. Then I say,
you put on the seatbelt? And you spoiled the engine?
And the car too is tundra. I don't stop it rough.
Bugatti.
I see the road is on. Nobody is on the road. I press on the accelerator or what? The car shout. That means it's relaxing.
Damn it.
The car engine is over. Like human being, if you sit there, you work, you tired, and you do like this, everything release.
So the car will relax.
Yeah.
It will cool down.
That's why you can't meet where everything is still genuine. Like if I use it roughly like your own, the car everything scatter. It's turned into an old woman. But me, I don't do that. I have a bottle to use the car. So if you say you give me money, huge, this, that is fucking money for me. I don't need your money.
Damn it.
Yeah, man.
As you are, don't need my money.
I don't need your money because I'm a teacher.
I give you hard currency, head one. Dollars, not cities.
Forget about your dollars or what. Me, I dey Ghana here, I dey drop city, I dey feel comfortable. I dey collect bonus. Before I dey collect classes fee. The classes fee I used to give my woman, the girl.
Classes fee?
Yeah, in the prepare for class. If my salary come, that one do I take pay so.
What do you see come and sign that piece?
So.
That's little, it's more money.
Who told you? That's your mind. Because you go see that your fucking $1, one. Masa, Ghana here, you so. Ghana money. Our eyes is.
They show what you can do. I do money. I won't. They show what. You get a negative mind.
Masa. Negative mind here, Masa. Me and the one that he didn't show president is called himself that short guy, you know. You can see like we are brothers or this thing, but he don't pass me.
You are brothers?
Yeah, you are brothers. But because of I think say you might not be bypass me. That's why we separate ourselves.
Are you sure?
I'm very deodorant.
Yeah, one kind of you'll be a white to put down the nancy.
Oh, there be back we are till we are sweet.
Back way.
Back we.
Yeah, you bonity.
I
Bonity.
Oh,
Jackson.
Jackson. Oh, person in Jackson.
Jackson. Bonity. Jackson. Bonity. 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 Bonity.
Oh, person me got them.
Bonity.
Medem.
Dear.
Anwa.
Dear. Bonity. Benson. Bonity.
I fear everything you have said.
Okay, good.
I fear.
Good man.
But I want to also invite you to my house.
Okay.
In front of my wife. So that I'll beat you. So that my wife know that I can beat you very well.
What about me?
Not only beat you so. I'll put you, slap you rough. Slap you.
Now, yes, I didn't have free.
So that I can also give everything to you.
Oh, who put me out job out of mommy? 7 months, who come out, who put me out job out of mommy? I don't pen out pay. I don't quite want.
Not only beat you so. I'll disgrace you in front of the woman. I'll put you, slap you. Hold this your stick. I'll I'll jojo you pa.
Is that all you want? Okay, chill, man. Chill.
Also chill me. Say papa say nobody. Chill me.
Damn it.
Oh yeah, papa, you're damn me. When control the tiasi. Say chill. Say papa, say opanyo. Also chill me. And I damn no so. Say papa, say opanyo. Also damn me.
Like seriously?
No. Nonsense. My father did you my tobacco free. And I won't do. Teach me.
Damn it. Okay. My man, what's this your time? What's this your fucking time?
My time.
Yeah.
You have some.
No, this is United States time. So I want to set like Ghana time.
Papa, you put me to what's your America time? And I'll bet time over you. Just come on behind already. Okay. I go 1 night.
Oh, my man, you're
It's
wrong.
going to knock 9.
You're wrong. Get it to 11 a.m. What's it?
I say your mother had just.
Damn it. Okay, you just cut the crap. I'll come to your house.
You come.
Yeah, I'll come over.
If you don't come, I don't step there again.
Can I offer you something? Some drink, chill drink, you know. Very good drink.
Aku kasi masay. O kasi masay. Misayo. Mama me drinking na for drogu. Na just a walk kumi, na just a wafa.
Oh, no, I can't do that.
Give me. I'm not a fool. I'm not a dumb brother. I'm a brother.
I just want to give you a drink as brother to brother.
Papa will drink some myself. Me not the drink, but Mama not the drink, not just a walk kumi. Not just a wait me off again, and yes, sir.
No, I
It
can't.
says how.
No, I can't.
It says how.
No, I'm just offering
They
a
went
drink.
your brother, but me a brother.
I'm offering a drink like brother to brother, you know, man to boy.
Yeah. Me say you. Me say it.
So don't name that drink.
I'll take a lead. Do you have Gouda?
No,
You don't have
No.
Cloud?
no,
Origin?
no.
You have Raw?
No,
You don't have?
no.
I say, wow. I flow, here come. My money, I don't have small one in my money. Can you give me money for fare?
You don't have money on you. So it's not a cassava, pretty much. I mean, no one is kind of a
Oh, it's big.
That's what the man of us.
You know, Ghana money, we have big one. We don't have small. Our big one is big.
I just wanted to check you up on your
Take my money there here. See, I'll be off from retrieve only my dear friend Mubama. Mommy's cow, I catch him so very Mubama. Only my dear friend Mubama. Timmy Tinaka, Mona, Media to a house in Mubama. Can't see your foot to Mubama.
Okay, you get
Oh, flower, Boga, only 10 out here. So, I can see some free Togo, Sebenu, China flower, Boga. Hey! And I got my robono dread. I saw a burger. I'm not going to on to me. Teaching, they're not the baby dinner. My robono rough. So I can maintain table, maintain shade. So my robona on give me a D. See a penny, remember to us, your friend of a burger. Or baby, when him say Ghana cry as some folk land you grew up. The matchland say yes. Ghana na me free. So I could share the news, say Togo, say Nigeria, say him from. Oh, be all more guy. Name say Ghana cry, guy, say, Open guy, block mercy. The bachelor say yes. So wait, Junior.
Okay, my man, see you.
See you.
Damn it. See, I go with my man and couple me because of Oba. I got no choice. I gotta take my woman.
They shoot to live back with me. My Quatanibi. And I go baby in a Google canning. You do baby in a can stop and go you. After they assume Monsina and Piakai. Now Quatani were pocketed to can one vessel Bessie. I soon in Ghana for no more jealous. I must say, Charlie Nabaga. Yea, now you see a Piacan on Quandi Otican, Moon Sim Peavy. I know when I pocketed to can still. Now, every day, Massa, only on Camela. I say, Massa, she found a Piacano. Esa Massa, and Tiasia. What an in see ya, say ya. Original was it. Oh, shall we the Piaca? Oh, shall we the Piaca? Oh, shall we the Piaca? And then the full sack.
Hey, nigga, good afternoon. Where's that 12? That half-inch man. Akwana to say Puna, your bushun, Puna, to say a bushun. I had your woman at Tadity Moy. Your friend who could know it.
Mira. Oh, Mira, the only home.
We know. What part is so nifia?
Miss only home.
Then I'm taking you to my house today. At this moment, right now.
Me?
Yeah, you. Because you are my wife.
Are you serious?
Not serious. Let's go.
Also, the nail quite. Can you move your original? Oh, yeah. We are Bema Fanico. Fanico. Yeah, watch your side in your movie. No, yeah, what the shine. Sure. What's that movie? No, who will you swallow? Huh?
Like seriously, you are coming to fight me?
Yeah, that's a movie.
Yeah.
Let me know.
When
there could be power.
Okay.
Shh. Mira! Mira, bro. I bet you will. Yo. I bet you will.
Oh, yeah, all that bay. Oh, let to Jim baby. What? I say, I'll cooperate. I'll go to the dome of what's Syrian and Amia. What bag I got?
Mira, so where this?
Oh, by Jim make it. Now, about so. Go back, Kwana. Go back home. House. I'll shock over when you. And near my. Sergeant Maxina and Kobiaja. Ah, may lose me temper. May lose something, energy. Do you see? Oh, let us Jim walk for Shabra. I will let us near Isa. Oh, when your body go no name. Yet I will gonna hire bunch of senior you could be no one in a yedi. Oh, bother with your wood yet. I need your media pet. Oh, no, pretty see a niece will be our body. Oh, the media grown nonsense.
Oh. Take it easy.
You would see in a mini. Babe. Sweetheart. Babe.
Oh, dear Messiah. Yeah, dear Messiah, ma'am. And a giant DNA. A DNA, do what I want you to do.
Me kind no mapa we prami bisa sa dan na ye wa social media bisa. Wa sa di we ye di we be odi.
Obey an answer when you.
Susuka se me me we ye.
No susu me an area.
Me se be den ya. Fasi ni manage. Nti dan na ye. Ha? Oh babe, me bisa wa some more feel. When you know, I don't share.
Who have the questions to do? Jai. I don't mean I'm a cop person, I'm a comfort. Hey. Oh, grab me, uncle. Hey.
So I'm a maid.
So what can I do? They're not missing here. When me, yeah.
But we're from a baby, me and the crammy me and you with swimming. Maybe so then a year with a
You want to spoil my skin? It's very hot.
Not dear, or you will say this is fair. And I don't know what to say.
That's a concern. I found back. Oh, you talk too much. Casado. Gentle. Slowly. Just some answer, Mamu. It's okay.
So in front of Twitter.
So Andrew. So you're calling me a thief now?
Nah, right now, no. What's wrong? I don't know what is wrong with you. Catch him is 1% like over coming in.
I'm already disgraced you in front of my wife. So yeah, what you but I can't do a let us away your mommy. Brody no bro, no was Uncle Siaga. I can't do back over here. No one say, oh, mission, what passing. Me pesca pupa, scammon, pesca one pupa.
Oh, patch yourself upon all this building? You want me to give you a huge sum of money?
Hey, Billy. Who's Diana?
I'm talking about beating. Sit down quietly. Just think about yourself. Think about what you can do with your life or something. Just ignore me. Oh.
Remember with you, a baby show would see you. Just the make an name as a sema. Me nibony bian swam there.
My catch yourself as a sema.
Now the way I prefer acting shows.
What can baby Mama should react can be at yourself as a sema. I don't know you wanna think for me.
I just don't get you. I don't get you.
Come on! That's why I wanted not to come to Ghana. Yeah, that's why I wanted not to come to because These are some of the petty things that you do and they just take me off. I'm not in the mood for your drama. All this drama thing. Please, kind of. Oh, come on.
Now, when I came here, I'm not insulting you or anything.
I'm about to tell you.
Now you are trying to, because I am here and you are listening to music instead of me. Baby, please, I beg you, you just forgive me. I know I have more wronged you, but you just forgive me. I just don't get it. I'm thinking madness. Like right now, I'm going crazy for you. Baby.
Don't get crazy for me.
I'm doing it. Please. Please, babe. Babe.
Me, I'm claiming my woman. That babe. You just forget. My kid. I call my name. Oh, come on. I'm Prince. If you don't know my name, I'm Prince. You can call me Prince. What's wrong with you, babe?
Now you are my sweetheart, so if I call you babe, there is nothing wrong with it.
Okay. Go ahead. Talk.
Prince, babe, please. Just calm down. What are you doing? You are still listening to it. Just talk to me. Babe.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with this girl, Sal? Can somebody get me a doctor or something? Psychiatric doctor. You're just making me go nuts, going crazy. Can I have peace of mind in my own house? Damn it.
I'm making noise.
Just shouting, can't you? Just hear.
Babe, please, I'm sorry, okay? Let me patch you. Then you'll be affecting my mystery.
Why are you begging up? What's wrong with... Jeez, you can't do this in America. Sit down, you've not done anything. Oh, I'm not in the mood for this.
So why are you doing this to me? Why?
Okay, sit down. What's wrong with you? Okay, I'm listening to something.
Please, babe.
Hey! What's wrong with you? A man or something? Fuck you! Fuck your mom! Fuck your whole bullshit family! Can't do this in America. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna give you cash up.
Babe, like seriously?
Like seriously? Tell me that seriously? Like yes, that seriously? What's wrong with you? I cannot have peace of mind. Minding my own little ghetto. What's wrong with you? Damn it!
What you're doing, I can't think far.
I'm not gonna take madness.
Nah, it's like you are. Because I have not done anything to you and you're shouting. I know mad people do this. I'm not insulting now. You say you are thinking madness.
So I'm going mad now.
Oh, nah, you just said you are thinking madness. And I'm trying to tell you, mad people do this. Babe, please, okay? I'm sorry. Babe, please.
Jeez.
I'm sorry, please. Babe. Babe.
I can't think. What's that? Okay. What do you want me to do? Now what do you need from me? Tell me, I'm gonna do it for you.
I just want both of us to come back. Because right now you don't pick my calls. You don't do anything. You don't call me.
Call me. I'm gonna pick. Call me. Right now. Call me. Here's my phone. Call me. I'm gonna pick. Yeah, friend me, mefa. Phone with me, friend me, say mefa.
Me no would say here, kasa no men friend obefa.
So we say we friend me, mefa. Yes, I know okay. So just give me the call right now. Oh, let me call you, okay? Let me call you. That's okay with you. I'm gonna call you.
I don't mean right now. I mean when I'm not here. Sister, me no here, kasa. I will say, oh friend me, men pick your phone and I kasa. We are both here face to face. You can't talk.
I was saying, I'm a phone, so say, I know what picky. Now, Kasa. Then, from there, next thing I would like to do all so that you'll be happy. Let me alone. Yeah.
Babe, please, you are making me not think far. In fact, I'm thinking